Deep beneath Pakistan's mountains lies one of the world's greatest treasures, millions of tons of ancient rock salt. Every tunnel reveals salt deposits formed more than 200 million years ago. Careful planning ensures every section of Pakistan's salt mine is safely extracted.
Modern drilling prepares the Precision drilling creates the foundation for efficient rock salt mining.
Every controlled blast is calculated to maximize safety and preserve valuable salt. In seconds, ancient rock becomes ready for industrial production.
Powerful machinery replaces weeks of manual labor.
The journey from deep underground has only just begun. Now the raw salt begins its transformation into products used around the world. Every load begins a carefully planned journey from the mine to the processing plant. Safe transportation protects Road and rail work together to move Pakistan's valuable rock salt. Every shipment is weighed before entering the production process.
Strict inspections ensure safety and full production traceability.
The raw salt has now reached the heart of the processing facility. Every delivery follows a precise schedule to keep production moving.
Precision positioning prevents delays and protects valuable equipment.
The next stage begins as raw rock salt enters the processing. From here, Pakistan's ancient rock salt begins its modern industrial transformation.
Inside the factory, every ton of Pakistan rock salt begins a carefully controlled industrial journey. This massive facility transforms raw rock salt into products shipped across the world. Every production shift begins with strict safety procedures. The factory comes alive as millions of tons of rock salt move through automated systems. Every conveyor keeps production flowing without interruption. Controlled material flow protects equipment and maximizes efficiency. Modern automation keeps every stage of Pakistan's salt production under constant supervision. Powerful industrial machinery prepares the salt for the next processing stage. Ancient rock salt now enters the first stage of mechanical processing. The transformation has begun as raw rock salt moves toward cleaning and refinement. After crushing, Pakistan rock salt moves into the first cleaning stage. Uniform material flow ensures efficient processing throughout the factory. The first screening stage removes unwanted materials with precision. Magnetic separation protects the machinery and preserves product quality. Powerful washing systems reveal the natural purity of Pakistan's rock salt. Removing excess moisture prepares the salt for further refinement. Controlled airflow improves efficiency before precision sorting begins. High-speed optical technology ensures only premium salt continues forward. Precise grading creates the foundation for consistent final product.
Now the purified rock salt is ready for its most important transformation.
The purified Pakistan rock salt now enters the heart of the production process. Powerful grinding systems create the consistent particle size required for industrial processing. Every transfer system keeps production flowing with remarkable efficiency.
Secondary milling delivers the precision required for premium salt products.
Rotary screening guarantees uniformity before final refinement.
Advanced filtration keeps both the product and the workplace clean.
Temporary storage maintains a steady supply for the next production stage.
Automation guarantees consistent flow throughout the entire factory.
Every movement prepares Pakistan rock salt for its final industrial transformation.
Now the refined Pakistan rock salt is ready for its
precision milling creates the uniform crystal size demanded by modern industries. Every crystal is refined with remarkable consistency and control.
pneumatic transport moves the refined salt quickly while preventing contamination.
Air separation ensures the highest level of product cleanliness.
Precise environmental control protects the quality of every grain. Accurate classification delivers consistent industrial-grade salt.
Buffer storage maintains a continuous production flow without interruption.
Controlled feeding guarantees stable production at every stage. Every production parameter is monitored in real time for maximum efficiency. Now the refined Pakistan rock salt enters the factory's most advanced automated systems. Automation begins by controlling every movement of Pakistan rock salt with remarkable precision. Laser technology keeps production accurate without interrupting the process. Smart control systems guide every batch with perfect timing. Continuous weighing guarantees consistent production quality. Precision feeding keeps every downstream process perfectly synchronized. Advanced vision systems inspect thousands of particles every second. Seamless transport maintains product purity throughout the factory. Every machine works together through one intelligent control system. Automation allows millions of tons of Pakistan rock salt to move efficiently every year. The final refinement begins before Pakistan's rock salt reaches consumers around the world. The final refinement stage prepares Pakistan rock salt for commercial packaging. Precision screening delivers perfectly uniform crystal sizes. Clean filtered air removes the last traces of processing dust. Gentle polishing enhances the natural appearance of every crystal. Every crystal is inspected one final time before reaching consumers.
final safety inspections guarantee a clean and reliable product. Every batch is measured with industrial precision. The packaging system is supplied with a continuous and controlled flow. Everything is now ready for the final packaging process. After months beneath the mountains and countless precision processes, Pakistan rock salt is finally ready for quality certification.
Every bag begins its quality journey the moment it is filled.
Precision weighing guarantees consistency in every shipment.
A secure seal protects the purity of Pakistan's rock salt.
Every bag receives a unique identity for complete product traceability. Routine sampling ensures every production batch meets strict quality standards.
Scientific testing confirms the natural purity of every production batch.
Final visual inspections eliminate even the smallest packaging defects. Digital tracking follows every bag from the factory to the custom.
Only fully approved products are allowed to leave the factory.
With quality confirmed, Pakistan's rock salt is ready for delivery across the world.
Automation prepares every shipment for safe transportation.
Secure wrapping protects every bag during storage and transport. Every pallet carries complete traceability from factory to customer.
Careful handling keeps every shipment in perfect condition. Organized storage allows rapid delivery to customers around the world.
Each shipment is loaded with precision for safe transportation.
A final inspection guarantees every delivery meets factory standards.
From Pakistan's ancient salt mountains to customers worldwide, the journey is complete. And this is how modern factories produce Pakistan rock salt from start to finish.